Alright, today we're going to be talking about lesson 116, A and B, and we're going to do this worksheet, which has no directions on it. We're going to be using it for two lessons, lesson 116 and lesson 117. Alright, let's get started, and I do apologize, I'm going to have to move the camera because it doesn't flip. It takes pictures instead when you're doing a video camera. All right, well, let's bow our heads. Bless us, O Lord. I'm sorry. Come, Holy Spirit, fill the hearts of your faithful and kindle in us the fire of your love. Send forth your Spirit, and they shall be created, and thou shalt renew the face of the earth. In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Amen. Here goes. I'm going to turn you over here. Whoop, wrong direction. This way. And we're going to go down. You just saw my teaching closet that I've had. All right, there we go. We have my table here, and it's all set up. So the first thing I'd like to do is you're going to need 20 coins. It could be pennies or quarters, or I have these little things right here that I have from my teaching closet, my little stash there. So I have 20 of those, and I have some of these cards. You can use post-it notes, you could use pieces of paper, but this is what you'll need, and your piece of paper and your worksheet. I'm going to use marker and whiteboard instead. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to pretend today that these cards will be cars or shirts or cupcakes or bicycles and children. And these will pretend different things as well. All right, so let's get started with, we're going to pretend that there are 5 cars. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you take and you get 5 cars too. Go ahead and do that. And how many wheels does each car have? Yep, you got it. So let's put wheels on our cars. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I'm going to try to make it a little bit faster here. All right. There we go. And when we're all done, we're going to see how many groups we have that have equal parts, right? All right. So now, how many cars are there? 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many wheels are in each car? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many wheels do we have altogether? You've been counting by 4s, haven't we? Should we try counting by 4s? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Let's do that again. 4, 8, 6, 12, 16, 20. 20 you can also count by 1s. But now we will draw a picture of what we just had. So I'm going to take my board and I'm going to draw a picture of what I just set up right here. I am going to take and I'm going to draw 5 cars. 1, 2, whoops. I'm just going to do rectangles because that's easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go ahead and do that. And then go ahead and draw 4 wheels on each car, just like what we did here. And when you're done with that, we're not going to do the things that are labeled down here. This is what we're going to do tomorrow, okay? These things will be done. This part will be done tomorrow. But right now, we're just doing for lesson 116. We're just going to draw them, okay? Now we'll go ahead and take our cars and disassemble them. And we're going to use our cards for something different. Now we're going to pretend that each of these cards are shirts. Okay, here, shirts. And we're going to have 3 shirts. Go ahead and with your own cards, put 3 cards. Put 3 shirts on your desk. And then take buttons and put 5 buttons on each shirt. Okay, go ahead and do it while I'm doing mine, and then we'll see how many buttons altogether we have, right? Okay, here are my shirts, and here of them. All right, now what do we have? Okay, we have 3 shirts, or 3 groups of 5 buttons each, right? Okay, now how many altogether? Should we count by 5s? 5, 10, 15. All right, so now we need to draw that on number 2. Go ahead and you draw that. Draw your shirts. I am I'm going to pause it and then continue. I don't know if I can pause it. Yeah, no, it's not going to let me. So I'm going to go ahead and let you do that. And each of those will have 5 buttons, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. That's all we need to do for number 2. For number 3, let's put these aside. And go ahead and we're going to pretend that each of these are cupcakes. And these are candy hearts that go on top. Okay? But this time, let's do 6 cupcakes. Go ahead and take 6 cards and put there are 6 cupcakes, and there will only be 3 candy hearts on each cupcake, okay? So go ahead and put those on there so that each of them will have 3 candy hearts on each cupcake, okay? Then we're going to count by 3s, right? Because are they equal groups? Yes. If they weren't equal groups, could we do that? No. Only if it's equal groups. All right, so let's count by 3s and make sure that you guys can see that. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Is that what you guys got? Yeah, now we're going to go ahead and draw it on number 3. And we're going to draw how many cupcakes? Yes. You guys can make it a little bit fancier than this. I won't be able to because we need to go quickly here so that you can get the lesson quickly, and you can then draw it yourself and color it even. Make it pretty if you want to. All right? And then leave the bottom part. Don't do it until tomorrow because that's exactly what you're going to be doing for lesson 17. All right? Now that we're done with cupcakes, let's put our coins or whatever we're pretending to be our candies right there. Now we're going to have, oh, this is going to be fun. You know how many we're going to do? 8 cards. Oh, I don't know if I have enough from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ahead and do it on your own too. And we're going to pretend that these are bicycles. All right? So how many wheels are on each bicycle? That's right. So go ahead and put them underneath and see if we can count. What are we going to count by? Yes. So how many bicycles do we have? That's right. And how many wheels does each bicycle have? Right. Are they equal groups? Now, if we did not have equal groups, let's say some of them were missing wheels, could we count by twos? No, we did not have equal groups. Therefore, you have to have equal groups in order to do this. All right? So, how many equal groups did you have? You have 8 sets of twos. So, how many does that make? Should we count by twos? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Is that what you got? Yes. All right, so now you got it. You were going to draw it on our, I have to turn it so you can see it, number 4, right? I'm going to scoot these over now. And you're going to draw it right there. And you're going to draw 8 bicycles, right? I'm just going to draw this one like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys are much better at drawing, especially when Mrs. Mayer has to rush, right? All right, take your time and do it well if your mom lets you or tells you that you have time. If you've been dawdling, you may not have time. Oops, handlebars should go this way, huh? Handlebars. Yep, oops, this direction. I always forget which direction. Now it looks like a... That's funny, huh? I know you guys are going to laugh. I'm laughing myself. That's silly, huh? Okay, there you go. Now, those are your 8 bicycles. And each bicycle has how many wheels? Good. And how many bicycle wheels are there altogether? Good. Now we're going to quickly, so this is how we drew a picture of our equal group story. Okay. Keep your papers. Don't erase your papers because don't do anything with your paper. We will go ahead and work on this tomorrow. We will also need it. All right, I believe, does it say homework? Nope, we're going to use it again. All right, have a blessed evening. Bye-bye.